Hari Om. Welcome to ANIRUDDHA'S Creative Learners. Today we will learn how to use these stickers, WhatsApp stickers, or we can say Telegram stickers, how to use it, how to download and use it. So this is the page Agralek. This is the website agraleknotes.blogspot.com. When you reach this website, here you can see this page is there. Just tap on this and download this image. So download image, you can see here. So I have once downloaded, so it is asking, do you want to download again? Yes. So it will be downloaded. So we can see the file size over here, and we have to open through the gallery now. Now I have opened that particular image which is saying Jai Jagadamba Jai Durge and photo of Sadguru Sri Aniruddha Babu. Image credits to the website by Samir Dada, that is Aniruddha Bapu devotee samirsiha.com. Now this image and this text we have downloaded. This is a sticker, and after tapping this sticker we can see that background is blank. So this is in the WebP format, we can see over here. Now how to use it. Open your Telegram, go to your saved messages, then tap in this corner. So we can see this corner. Here recently used option is there, we can see it is. So here at this particular plus, you tap on that plus and then select the image. Don't make any changes in this, just click on this right tick mark, then click on this send stickers. So this way we have started using this WhatsApp sticker, this Telegram sticker. Now let's know how to use the same sticker in WhatsApp. So open the WhatsApp, open any particular person or your own messenger, message to yourself section, then click on this icon here, left corner, just next to this message and cursor. Tap on this, then create, click on this create option, and then select this particular image which we have downloaded. So we can see it has created little background and all that. We can adjust little bit of size and then send. So we have shared that image as WhatsApp sticker. Now you can add to your favorites or you can share it with your friends. This is how you have to create and use the stickers from the website agraleknotes.com. Hari Om Sri Ram Ambadnya Nath Samvit.